right, all right. What does falling equal?
Not enough clutch.
That's right, falling equals clutch. Good. Friction brake, friction brake, friction brake. Okay. So I see what's going on right there. As you're coming to the end of the stop, you're pulling the clutch in. Keep it open until your foot's on the ground and then put your foot down. That's why it's falling. Good. Brake, 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 clutch, clutch, clutch. See that falling?
Yeah.
That's okay. It's okay. We just got here, man, so don't worry about any of that. Don't give up on it, man. Don't give up on it. One. Braking, braking, clutch, 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 clutch. Same thing. Falling. Okay. You ready? All right. No rear brake. Good. Keep it at 0. Nice. Make sure you keep it loaded too before you give it the clutch. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Ah, you had it, man. All right, don't worry. It's only another 10. All right, let's try it again. Nice. All right. Put up. There you go. There you go. Put up. Put up. Keep it loaded. Ah, yeah. So when you preload, listen to it and keep listening to it. Good. Put up. Put up. Now you're moving, you're moving. Put up. There we go. Nice, nice. Put up. Okay. Good, head nice, head nice. Very nice, right, very nice. Go head nice up, head nice up. Don't look at those cones, look out into the woods. Nice, nice. Good job, good job. Head nice. Oh man, that was good though, it was still good. Good, head nice. Keep it loaded. All right. Back it up, back it up. Good, head nice, start turning. Turn those bars, clutch, good, good, good. He had that, he gave power, and that's good, but he didn't give enough rear brake. Remember, 2 rear brake, even if you're giving yourself a 3 rear brake. Friction brake, clutch, clutch, clutch. All right. Good, good. Good. Head nice up. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. 2 rear brake. Head and eyes. Yeah. And that's happening because you're picking up that foot like this. You're throwing it to the right. That's not a big deal if you got enough clutch though. 2 rear brake. Head and eye, good. Rear brake, good, start turning. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Nice! Woo! Beautifully done, beautifully done. Oh yeah, he's not gonna have this bike long at all. It's a nice looking bike, but the next owner will love it. Unless they also meet me, and then I'm gonna tell them the same thing. Friction brake, clutch, 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 clutch. Good, keep it slow, head and eyes. Look to the right, head and eyes up. Hold the turn, rear brake, rear brake. Nicely done, nicely done. Rear brake, rear brake. Do it again, do it again. Head nice, up. Rear brake, rear brake, rear brake. Too much speed right there. Yeah, that turn was gonna be beautiful and then you sped up. All right, do it again. Head nice up. Hold the turn, hold the turn. Don't hold that long. Keep it loaded. Keep it loaded. Listen to that throttle. Good. Rear brake, rear brake. Yeah, it's too much speed. It's a little too wide, but we didn't talk about it. Dip it in, transition. Transition, okay, okay. Already getting better, wow. Dip it in, dip it in, dip it in. All right, so we're still straight up now, but that's okay. Reload, reload. Myself before he left. I was gonna put him on, I need him to feel it. He's only been riding 2 months. Well ahead of a lot of people, yeah? Yes, exactly. Yeah, nice. Good, good. Keep going, keep going. Already happening, a little dip there. Comfort setting in. Like I said, Dwight, the next owner's gonna love your Kawasaki. Look at him, look at him. Two months. goddamn motorcycle back. Talk about it's too big. Get the fuck off my motorcycle, man.